Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Zinger steak. First, choose high-quality boneless, skinless chicken breasts, ideally around 6 ounces each. Next, pound each piece to a consistent 1/2 inch thickness. This ensures even cooking and a tender result. Finally, immerse the chicken in a flavorful buttermilk marinade, seasoned with your favorite spices, for a minimum of 30 minutes to infuse maximum taste. Achieving that signature crispy coating is key. Start by preparing your dry dredge, combining all-purpose flour, a touch of cornstarch for extra crispiness, and a robust blend of seasonings. Generously coat each marinated chicken piece, pressing firmly to ensure the breading adheres well. For an even crunchier texture, you can repeat the wet-to-dry process, creating a double layer of deliciousness. Now for the exciting part, frying. Heat your preferred cooking oil in a deep pot or fryer to a precise 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Gently place the breaded chicken into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pan, which can lower the oil temperature. Fry each piece for approximately 6 to 8 minutes, or until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color and reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Once your Zinger steak is perfectly fried, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Lightly toast your burger buns and generously spread them with a zesty, spicy mayonnaise or your favorite sauce. Layer the hot, crispy chicken with fresh, crisp lettuce and juicy, sliced tomatoes for a delightful crunch. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience. Enjoy your homemade Zinger steak.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.